So this is how a dilated RV looks like in a short axis. But what is more important is that if you see in this video, the LV with each contraction or systole is becoming D-shaped. Or you can say that the RV is pressing the interventricular septum towards the LV during systole. I will just play it frame by frame for you to understand. So this is diastole. Now as we see, the systole is happening and this other segments are contracting. The interventricular septum is getting pressed by RV into the LV. So this is due to pressure overload of the right ventricle. So in this case, there is raised right ventricular pressure. I will just show in how much the pressure is. So this is the PASP by TRZ in this case, and you can see that the pressure is of almost 76 millimeter of mercury. So this case is a case of atrial septal defect with Eisenmenger syndrome. So now compare this video from the previous video. If you see, RV is also dilated here, but the D shape or the oval shape of the LV is happening not during systole but diastole. I will just play it frame by frame now. So during systole, like this. Now this is systole. The LV is well rounded in shape. The septum is not being pressed into the LV, but it is instead going towards RV. However, during diastole, the septum is pressed into the LV like right now, and the septum has become straightened and flattened and is going into the LV. So this is a case of volume overload, not a pressure overload. This is again a case of ASD, atrial septal defect. However, in this case, there is no Eisenmengerization and the septum is not getting pressed during systole but during diastole. So this is very important. A D-shaped LV or the compression of the septum into the LV happening during systole suggests RV pressure overload, and if it is happening only during diastole suggests RV volume overload.